So here's a question that I get a lot of the time that I just really wanted to cover in this quick video. And it's really kind of why do we do what we do? Why do we do the emails like we're doing them now? And what I mean by that is because a lot of people are saying, well, the emails are so short. How are you supposed to sell? How are you really supposed to make money? Because, aren't you supposed to be pre-selling your prospects and, just a variety of different questions? Well, basically, I got a very simple philosophy, and that is a confused mind never buys. And what happens is every single action in your marketing that you take should be for a specific result. So you should take one action for a specific result. And what I mean by that, if you're out there creating a sales page, let the sales page do what it's designed to do, which is convert, to sell the prospect. Don't create an email to basically sell them on why they should go read another long sales page. You're going to be losing a lot of people that way. Well, you should also, for affiliate offers and doing different things, you'll actually wind up making a lot more money if you do, yes, pre-sell your prospects. But I don't think that email is the way that you should do so, because a lot of people think about the mindset of the average email user. They're using emails to catch up on what's happening either with their friends, with business, with work. A lot of them are busy. A lot of them don't have the time to read long emails. And again, if you sit there and continually blast long emails that are nothing but sales offers, you're going to be getting a lot of unsubscribes and a lot of people just flat out annoying or ignoring your emails. So you just want to keep them very short, precise, that gives basically a good reason to click to go to the next step. Should you offer a pre-sale, or should you be pre-selling an affiliate offer? Yes, but not through your emails. Just follow these these techniques, then lead them to maybe your pre-sale page. You either create like a blog page or a simple landing page where you can have maybe a video just talking about the product and pre-selling them a little bit more. Or, you can, not necessarily even have a video. You can just have a couple of copy, or, let that be the long buffer, as you want to call it, the pre-sales page. But the emails should only be for the sake of updating your visitors, basically creating and building a relationship with them, and just really getting straight to the point and giving them something of benefit and value. So what you're going to want to do too is, even whenever you give away free content, free training, free different different offers, don't give them away. Don't give a specific or direct download links within your email. What you want to do, you need to start training your visitor and your subscriber to click. You need to get them to click, because bottom line, you don't make money off of emails. You don't make money sending out emails. You make money getting the people the heck off your emails and onto your offer. So even whenever you're giving out free content, that's the best time to train your subscriber to click. What you're going to do is basically create either a blog post or even a separate website or a membership page or something where you can basically, again, say, hey, I was just about to step out to have dinner with my wifey. I just wanted to give you this quick free report. Here's the link. Enjoy. Be back later tonight. So what you're going to do is, even on your free content, you're not giving away within the body of the email itself. Why? Because you're teaching the people to click. People are going to start to subconsciously, every time that they see your emails, they're going to click, open them, and then automatically know if they want whatever's of value, they're going to have to click a link. And that's what's going to set yourself apart from all the other people online, is that you're going to start teaching people how to click and go through to the offer. So even on your free content, this is the best training ground for you, because again, if you're giving away free information, that's good, but make them work for it. Make them do something for it, and that is to click a link. You need to train them on how to click a link. So that's kind of why we do what we do. That's the reason why we don't do long emails. That's the reason why we keep it short, to the point, keep it very beneficial, keep it very of high value, and basically you try to personalize it as much as possible. That's the reason why why the email demon method works so well is because it's just no BS, no hype, straight into the point, and people respect that. So that's it for this video. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and go on to the next one.